The square in the diagram below has side length 10 units. What is the area of the shaded region? Now, in this geometry problem, as in most geometry problems, when they want you to find the area of something, a lot of the times you don't have like a nice little neat formula, like with a triangle or like a rectangle or something else. Like you don't have a nice neat formula for finding the area of these sort of weird shapes, these like sort of like, curved triangle-ish things. But what we can do is express these shapes, these shaded regions that is, in terms of things that we know. And if you look carefully, well, this shaded part is basically just everything in the square that's not the circle, right? Because everything in the circle isn't shaded, but everything that the circle doesn't cover is shaded inside the square, so that gives us an idea, right? If we take this square, which is the whole area, well, then that includes the shaded region and the circle, and we don't want this circle, right? It's not shaded, so we can subtract off this circle, right? Because if we take the square and we subtract off the circle, then there's no more circle inside the square, and then you just have the 4 shaded regions. So now we can solve this problem. Well, first, because we know that each side of the square has 10, well, that means this middle line down there also has 10. And why am I saying that? It's because that line, that middle line in that square is the diameter of the circle. And if you know the diameter of a circle, you can find the radius of a circle. Now when you have that radius, what you can do now is we want the square minus the circle. Well, the square, first of all, just 10 by 10. So that's just 100. Not very interesting. And, well, 5, if that's the radius, well, wait, sorry, not times, minus pi r squared. R squared is 5 squared, which is 25 times 5.